Hello my friends, followers, listeners and dear traders, how are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trading. Today I'm going to show you 1 week history of our robot trading. And look here, the withdrawal is $152 and the profit is $313. Okay, look here, the boot work. Boot make also losses, yes. But look here, the blue is more than losses. Okay, so this is very awesome robot. Many people have purchased and they are all happy. If you want to buy, simply come and inbox me. And the last month history, look here, the last month history. Deposit is $280 and the profit is $933. Withdrawal is $832. Okay, and this is the robot. Look here. I hope you all guys understand. And currently now price is $40, one more week on promotion, so simply inbox me and purchase. The contact details in description. Thank you.